Hi all, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Tech Tip of the Day. Today we are looking into Xlookup formula, which is the replacement for Vlookup and H-lookup. Let's see how to use it. Here I have some sample data set. I would like to bring job classification, name and date to joint. Let's start with the formula Xlookup, and it asks for a lookup value. That's I will select customer ID, and lookup array. From this table I will select customer ID column, and return array I would like to have job classification selected, and if not found, generally VLOOKUP gives you error and you need to use if error formula. In this case just use double quotes twice to bring blank. So that's done. Fill it back. So all the values are ready. So let's bring name from below table. I will use Xlookup again. So in other case you should have been used Hlookup. So let's try Xlookup. So customer ID, select the lookup array range, lock it, and return array will be name. So if not found, again I will use double quotes. So I'm good. Let's fill it. Yeah. So date join. If you look at for Simon, you have two dates: 15th or January 15th and August 2018. So I would like to have a latest joining date. So which means you need to sort your data either ascending order or descending order so that we can use formula accordingly. Let's start with Xlookup, customer ID. So lookup array will be my customer ID again. So return array will be date joined. Yes, if not found, I will say double quotes to make it blank. And exact match, that's a match mode by default. It will be exact match. We can skip it. So this is important. So search mode, if you need first value, select first to last. So in this case, my data is in ascending order. So I will select last to first, which is -1. Let's close it. Say okay. I got August 18. That's the latest joining date. Fill it. So if any value is not available, it doesn't throw error. Say example, in this case, it just shows blank because we used double quote earlier in our formula. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Watch out this space for more such videos. Thank you.